For this video, we're going to build a new tvOS application. The problem we're trying to solve is to draw a raffle at, say, somewhere like a surf club. And the idea would be that this Apple TV app would be displayed on all the screens across the area, and people will be able to see when the raffle is going to be drawn and see the names being drawn at random. So to begin with this app, we're going to look at the plan that we've got for the user interface design. So at the moment we've got in our background an image, on top of that a rounded rectangle, to which we have a text and a text vertically arranged. So I'm just going to show this graphically on what the plan will look like taking this into code. So to begin, when we talk about things that are layered, we're always thinking about the Z stack. So again, we're trying to get our stacks sorted on what we want them to be when we start building them, when we start coding this. So it's going to represent that with a dotted line in yellow. And there is our first Z stack. Now when we code this, we'll be doing a Z stack with two squiggly brackets, not a dotted border, but the dotted border represents how this is enclosed. All the things inside of here are enclosed in a Z stack. So we'll have the Z stack, inside of which will be our image. And I've got image background will be inside of this Z stack. Make that white. You can see that nicely. Following that, we're going to have underneath our image, so that the image is put onto the screen first, second the rounded rectangle. And as the name suggests, it can be written simply as rounded rectangle with a corner radius. I'm going to say 30 for the sake of it. Now this will cause issues in that the rounded rectangle will fill up the available space, which is the entirety of the screen. So I'm going to give it a frame with a width of, say, 750 and a height of 300. And that'll be our code for the rounded rectangle. Following our rounded rectangle, we want to look at what's layered on top of that. At the moment, it is two text views. So when I see two views on top of each other, I'm thinking VStack. So let's draw a rectangle around that. Like so. Oops, wrong one. And there will be our V stack. I'm going to make this one pink, just so it's a little bit more clear. And again, our text will have a V stack. Now, as I said previously, the V stack will have two squiggly brackets placed underneath it. Followed by what will be our text views. Now, text views are nice and simple. We'll have text drawn in, and that will be the code inside of our VStack. Underneath that will be another text view, and this one will be 234. Making sure I close my speech marks there. So you can see how the code is starting to come together. I'm going to start with the Z stack, two squiggly brackets, inside of which will be an image. That will put the image first in the background. On top of that, because it's written second, is going to be a rounded rectangle. Corner radius 30 with a frame of 750 and a height of 300. Next, a V stack. Put a dotted box to represent the V stack, but again, two squiggly brackets will be the code. Text drawn in will be for this. Now if you want to change the font, I recommend .font.large title. And you might do a foreground color of black or whatever you like there. Then the same for this second one, foreground color .red. But we have a plan, and that's what we aim for in this little video. We're now going to take this and put it into code.